Hello everyone, today we will show you our robot game. We are team ElektRobot from Prijepolje and Priboj from Serbia. First of all, we will show you that our robot is shorter than 30 centimeters. Um, okay, then we will show you that Bluetooth is turned off. Okay, and we will show you that everything fits in a small inspection area. Here is the line. Then we can go to show you that every mission is set up correctly. That's step counter. Um, then a treadmill that is on black dot. Then row machine, tires in circle. On weight machine we have chosen magenta color. Then cell phone, bocha, tires. There will then pull up bar, slide. Okay, everything. Bocha, bocha again. Then a dancing place, bocha, basketball, and the bench at the end. Then we will show you that we have 4 motors and 4 sensors.
We have two large motors, two medium motors, one here and one on the other side, two color sensors, one ultra sensor, and one gyro sensor.
Now we can set up our camera at the place, and after that we can start with robot game. Is everyone ready?
Ready? Just push it.
Just a moment. The referee will join the game.
We can start.
Natalia.
Ready?
Is everyone ready? Yes?
3, 2, 1, let's go!
It's pushing the step counter right now, and it pushed it enough. Now he's trying to put those health units at the pull-up bar, but it doesn't succeed, and the robot goes a little crazy here. They will try with the other mission. What just happened? I'm not sure. And they do the bench. They do it correctly. Okay. Then the third mission. They're setting up the robot. They run it. Okay. Oh, he missed something here. I think. Oh god. I think they'll try the same mission again. Yes. Just
1 more minute.
Just to set the robot. He's going. He have gone through the pull-up bar correctly, and he have done bocha and the aim, and now he will come back to the base, to the home. Okay, and the last mission. 20 seconds left. They run the program and he missed.
10 more seconds.
3, 2, 1, the end. Okay, now we will see how many points did we get. There are just referee and camera.
At the beginning, we saw the robot is smaller than 30 centimeters and detailed the additional power fit into a small inspection area and then carries 25 points. Innovation project is touching the gray area around the bench, 20 points. The bottom of the pointer is on blue, 20 points. The bench is done flat, 10 points, and the bucket is completely off the both of holes and 15 points. The robot passed completely through the pull bar, 15 points. Two, four, 6, 11 cubes are complete in a frame of target, 55 points, and one yellow cube is completely in target, in small target, is 10 points. And have 3 precisions, and that's 20 points. And that's the end. 190 points.